Hi everyone, welcome to the Shamkris Global Group YouTube channel. Today we will see more about Global Good Agricultural Practice Certificate and how you can get it for your business. Global G.A.P is an internationally recognized certification program aimed at promoting good agricultural practices across various sectors of the agricultural industry. It is designed to ensure the safety, sustainability, and quality of agricultural products from the farm level to the consumer, covering aspects such as food safety, environmental protection, worker welfare, and animal welfare. Key aspects of Global G.A.P certificate. Number 1. Food safety. Global G.A.P sets stringent guidelines to ensure the safety and quality of food products. These guidelines help minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses and contamination throughout the production process. The certification ensures compliance with food safety regulations and standards that are recognized globally. Number 2. Environmental protection. Environmental sustainability is a core component of global G.A.P standards. The program encourages agricultural practices that reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, promote soil health and fertility, conserve water resources and ensure efficient use, support biodiversity and reduce environmental impact. Number 3. Worker welfare. Global G.A.P emphasizes fair treatment, safe working conditions, and proper training for farm workers. The certification process assesses labor practices to ensure that workers are treated ethically and provided with a safe working environment. This aspect of the certification addresses social responsibility and ethical sourcing concerns in agriculture. Number 4. Animal welfare. For sectors involving livestock and aquaculture, Global G.A.P sets standards for the humane treatment of animals. This includes proper housing, feeding, and veterinary care to ensure the well-being of animals throughout their life cycle. It addresses ethical concerns related to animal farming and promotes responsible practices. Number 5. Traceability. One of the critical features of Global G.A.P is its focus on traceability throughout the supply chain. By implementing traceability systems, producers can track their products from farm to fork, enhancing transparency and accountability. This traceability is vital for identifying and managing risks associated with food safety. Benefits of Global G.A.P certification. Increased market opportunities. Global G.A.P certification is recognized by major retailers and distributors worldwide. This recognition opens doors to new markets and increases opportunities for exporting agricultural products. Assurance of quality and safety. The certification provides assurance to consumers that the products they purchase meet high standards of safety, quality, and sustainability. This builds consumer confidence in the products and the brand, minimizing food safety risks. The certification process involves rigorous audits and assessments that help identify potential food safety risks, allowing producers to take preventive measures. Sustainable farming practices. Global G.A.P promotes sustainable agricultural practices that conserve natural resources, reduce chemical usage, and protect biodiversity. Improved labor practices. The certification emphasizes fair treatment, safe working conditions, and proper training for farm workers, ensuring ethical labor practices. Product traceability. Global G.A.P certification ensures traceability throughout the supply chain, allowing producers to track their products from farm to fork. This transparency is crucial for managing food safety risks and responding to recalls if necessary. Who can apply for Global G.A.P certification? Farmers. Both small and large-scale farmers can apply for certification, ensuring their farming practices meet global standards for safety, quality, and sustainability. Horticulturists. Those involved in the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamentals can apply for certification to ensure their practices align with global G.A.P standards. Aquaculture producers. Fish farms and aquaculture operations can seek certification to demonstrate compliance with sustainable and responsible farming practices for seafood. Producer groups and cooperatives. Producer groups and cooperatives, where multiple farms or producers operate under a single organizational structure, can apply for Global G.A.P certification. Grower associations representing groups of growers or farmers in specific regions or sectors can apply for global GAP certification on behalf of their members. Livestock and poultry producers. Producers involved in raising livestock and poultry can apply for global GAP certification to ensure their practices meet global standards for animal welfare, food safety, and sustainability. Processors and packers. While primarily focused on primary production, global GAP certification can extend to processors and packers involved in post-harvest handling, processing, and packaging of agricultural products. This inclusion helps ensure traceability and compliance throughout the supply chain. Retailers and supermarkets. Retailers and supermarkets that wish to demonstrate commitment to quality and sustainability in their supply chain can apply for global GAP certification. This ensures that their sourcing practices align with global standards. Documents required for global GAP certification: system manual, system procedure, policy, objectives, mission and vision, standard operating procedure, SOP, checklist, forms, formats, records, and others. Who can issue the global GAP certification? Shamkris, GAAS, and approved agencies. How to apply for global GAP certificate. To receive our assistance, please visit certificationinindia.com/contact us and fill out the contact form. Our support team will get in touch with you promptly. Thanks for watching.